Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple questions in Google Forms. So let's begin. Now I will start the entire process by creating a blank form and creating the questions myself. So I'm going to rename my untitled form. Now I'm going to prepare a question. Alright, so I have made the question. Now let's prepare the answers. Alright, so I have created two answers and I have created this as multiple choice questions. Now if I want to create more questions, I can just simply click add questions and create another question right over here. However, let's make it a bit interesting. I'm going to delete this question and click on add section. Now if people select reading books here, then they will be redirected to this section. So I'm going to rename this section. Now let's prepare the question. So let's now prepare the answers. So I have prepared the question and the answers. Now I'll have to select another section for watching movies. So let's go ahead and click add section again. Give this section a title. Now we're going to need another question for it. Now this is reading books question. So this actually belongs to the upper section. So I'm going to move this question to reading books. And now let's duplicate this question. And then I'm going to drag this question in watching movies section. Now I'm just going to change this question to movies. Alright, so now I have three sections. One for reading books and one for watching movies and one for the main question. So now my form has three sections. So let's publish this form and test it out. Alright, our form has been published. Now I'm going to open a new tab and try out the form. So here is our form. Now if I select a question right over here, then I'll be able to move to the new section. And now it's asking me what kind of books. Now if I select a kind of book, then it's going to ask me what kind of movies I want to watch. But since I selected reading, I don't need to answer what kind of movies I like, right? Now that doesn't make sense. So let's change these sections a little bit. I'm going to now select this question and then I'm going to select this more option right over here. Now after selecting more option, I'm going to select go to section based on answer. Now if someone selects reading book, then they will go to the reading books section. And if someone selects watching movies, then they will go to the watching movies section. And now I'm going to open this form in new tab again. So let's save this form and then close the previous window. Let's open the form again. So let's select watching movies now. And if I select watching movies and click next, as you can see, I'm in the section watching movies and it's asking me what kind of movies I want to watch. And if I select a movie, then it will submit the form. So that is how you can create multiple questions in multiple sections and then link those sections to your questions and make subsections. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.